Everyone, and welcome to today's demo. We're excited to announce that the MEND platform now supports SBOM import. An SBOM is a software bill of material, and we support the SPDX and Cyclone DX standards. What this means is you can use any third-party tool which creates these SBOMs in that standard, and you can import them into MEND for a single point of view, and we can also map against the vulnerability database, detect any malicious packages, and give you license compliance information, all within a single dashboard. So join me today as we'll export an SBOM in a third-party tool, import that into the MEN platform, and take a look at some of the data which is discovered around that SBOM. My name is Lee Brogan, and I'm the Sales Engineering Manager here at MEND. So with that, I'm going to head over to Dependency Track, where I've got a couple of projects which are within the solution already. I'm going to go ahead and use NodeGoat, which is a vulnerable NPM node application. And if I head over to components, I can download the BOM, either with just the inventory or the bill of material, or the inventory including the vulnerability data. So the industry refers to this as VEX, so vulnerability exchange, and MEND doesn't require the vulnerabilities to be part of your BOM. Whether you include the VEX data or not, we can ingest that SBOM and then map it against our vulnerability, malicious packages, and data we have on those components. So for now, I'm just going to create an inventory SBOM, and you can see I've downloaded the bom.json. Easy as that, we can then flip to the MEND platform. And from here in the top right, just head over to Administration, Applications, Add New Application. And I'm going to call this Dep Track for Dependency Track, and then NodeGoat as the application name. Click OK, that will create a blank application. And now if we go to Projects and add a project, there is a checkbox for Import Dependency SBOM. Obviously, tick that, give it a name. I'll say NodeGoat main, as it's built from the main branch. And then I'm going to pick the application which we just created. As I said earlier, we support the Cyclone DX and SPDX SBOM standards. And really easily, we can just upload that bom.json from dependency track, click OK, and then that SBOM will be ingested and correlated with our vulnerabilities and malicious packages. So now I'm going to head over to the application area at the top. If we scroll down, we'll be able to see that dep track NodeGoat. So go ahead and select that. And as you're familiar with, you'll see the high-level dashboard around the findings of that application. If we head over to the SBOM area under compliance, I can see all of the software bill of material, which we had from dependency track, the libraries, the dependency, whether it's direct or transitive. We can see if the license risk is low or high. In addition, if we go to the dependency area, we can view the vulnerabilities by root libraries. We can view the entire dependency tree. And then we can also view by findings in this area. So everything is based on CVSS version 4. We have exploitability data, and we'll flag any malicious packages as well. If we take a look at any one of these direct dependencies, we can see that Beeson 109 has 2 vulnerabilities against it. And not only will we tell you the latest version using Renovate, which is the recommended update path, but we can also show you the least vulnerable package as well. So if you only want to stay on the minor patch version, you can see the package health metadata is provided here in terms of the age and the adoption and compatibility and the confidence of that update, but also the risk profile change. So just by updating to 116, you can see these vulnerabilities are entirely removed. So that's been a quick demonstration of how we can utilize this new feature of SBOM import in the MEN platform. I hope you enjoyed it. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your customer success manager or Mend support. Thank you and goodbye.